Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make cabbage no goma-aé. It's another very simple vegetable side using cabbage. It's so easy that you can whip it up in 10 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I make a menu with this cabbage no goma-aé, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some cabbage, it's about 700 grams. 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and sugar, and 2 tablespoons of ground sesame. Let's make the sesame sauce first. You just need to put these 3 in one bowl. Ground sesame, sugar, and soy sauce. Give it a mix. And the sauce is ready. Super easy. While you prepare some boiling water to cook cabbage, let's cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. Remove the core. And just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now, boiling water is ready, so let's cook cabbage. I said let's cook, but you're not really cooking it, you're just blanching it. So just 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's wilted, let's take them out in ice water to stop cooking. Once it's chilled, drain it and let's combine with the dressing. Take some and squeeze it really well. Salad spinner won't do this job, so you need to squeeze using your hands. Let's give it a good toss. And cabbage no goma-aé is ready to go. So simple and quick. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's such a simple dish, but the sesame sauce made it so flavorful. And I love the crispy texture. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. cabbage no gomae is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about plain rice here, onion miso soup here, and nikudango, Japanese meatball for the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.